Favorite professor, comma, you cannot pick Dr. Munski.
Okay.
You cannot pick Munski.
And we love you, Munski.
We love you, Munski. We love you.
We love you.
We love you. But that's the obvious choice.
You guys are probably have similar answers.
Yeah, I'll go
about to
first.
say.
I'll go Rob Warren,
Okay.
marketing professor. He's just one of, I've taken 3 or 4 classes with him and just, yeah, every time. You can just tell he like cares so much to take the time to get to know each person in the classroom. And just every class he makes it so entertaining. So it makes everyone feel, I know a lot of like, people think like college classes are way different. And sometimes like big lectures can feel a little different than it used to, but he just really makes it feel like a classroom that's all connected and together. You're like, you don't feel awkward, like you don't want to talk. It kind of brings people together, kind of like we were talking about people. You just meet people. And I think like that class helped me meet like friends I still have today, so yeah.
Well, he also forces you to like communicate with them. Like you have to talk.
Yeah.
So it's like you can't be awkward, but it's good
It's a
overall.
blessing,
It's a
yeah.
blessing. It's hard right away. Like
Some
the
days-
first class you take with him, you're like, I do not want to talk, but
yep.
I know I have to. So, but yeah, it's good because
By the
then
end of it, you know everyone and
everyone, everyone knows everyone, and it's good.
yeah.
Yeah.
You can go. I'm still thinking.
I mean, there's a few on the top of my head. I love Jennifer Stoner, also marketing. Just like such a good teacher. Like she doesn't let you go on devices, which I thought I would hate. But
No laptops
no
or
laptop,
anything?
no phone.
All hard paper.
Yeah, and well, I can take notes on like an iPad, but it's really nice because I'm super engaged and she's fun and engaging and she has you guys like talk to each other, and so I don't know, I feel like I learned super well from her. She's awesome.
I have 2. One, MLS professors. They're all medical lab science, the best department on campus, and I will claim that forever. So it's called Go Medical Lab Science, 100% job placement. They're awesome. They're so passionate about what they do. But also Chris Felege, he is a biology professor here on campus. I don't know if you guys
I heard his
love
classes are
Felege.
super fun.
They're so fun. He does intro bio for bio majors and non-bio majors, and he makes it so it's not like daunting and it's engaging, and you, like you said, you have to talk to people, and he's very honest and straight up, and I appreciate that. So great professor. Love you, Felege. So
I'm still thinking. I honestly
That's fine. I
have
have
really
mine. I have
great
mine.
experiences. Yeah, you can go.
Mine, Dr. Mark Jendrysik for political science. We love you, Mark. We love you, especially Providence College, represent. No, because he's great. He always has just a fun story to tell, and he'll always just make the assignment worth it. He teaches like all levels of political science. So I've had him for a bunch of different classes. And Mark, you're just a delight. We love you. We love you. You're awesome.
Awesome.
Of course, yes, Dr. Munski, you are the proper answer for every UND student, past, present, future.
Yes.
Thank you. And no, I'm not just saying this to get like candy next time I'm in class.
He just brought me cookies in my history
does.
class last week.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he just barged into the lecture. I'll say this is my favorite professor right now because I'm really enjoying his class. William Caraher. He does like Greek and like classes like that, and well, he teaches a lot, but history. Honestly, all of my history professors have been awesome. Though he just the way he teaches, he's so engaged and so passionate about the way he's teaching and how what he's teaching, and he's got so much experience. It's insane. I could listen to that guy talk for so long, and he could honestly talk for hours. Our 75-minute or hour and a half long class isn't long enough. He was keeping us late the other day because he just couldn't stop talking. And honestly, it's okay because we're all just so interested in what he has to say because he's so smart.
That really does make a difference.
Yes.
In professors, I think
They know
so many
they know their
professors here
stuff.
have that where it's they're so passionate, they make it so engaging that the time doesn't feel like it's and
100%.
that means a lot when you're going to a college. I mean, it's the only one I've been to, but I'm just for here. Every class that you're in that's engaging, and all these professors we mentioned do such a good job at making it so interesting that the time flies by, and I think that's important when
Worth
you're
your time.
choosing
Yeah.
to pick somewhere. So yeah, that's something I'd mention, I guess.